This is the TanSon 160-in-1 electric screwdriver toolkit. Now the company did send this over for the creation of this video, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at it. As you can see, this screwdriver kit comes in a nice plastic carrying case, fully sealed all the way around with a nice label on the back showing you exactly what is included in this kit. Like I mentioned, there's 160 tools within this kit, everything from your Phillips heads to flatheads, Torx, hex kit, triangle, all sorts of different connections. There's also additional tools like tweezers, manual screwdriver, a suction cup, so on and so forth. We'll take a closer look as soon as we get into this kit. Now, in addition to the tools themselves, this kit also comes with a nice little mobile phone repair guide here that is magnetic so that you know exactly where the screws come out of a phone you might be working on. It does come with a USB Type A to Type C charging cable. No power adapter is included though, so you will have to provide one of those in order to charge the screwdriver. We also have a little instruction manual here and a nice little microfiber cleaning cloth. All right, now opening the kit up, super easy. We just open up this labeled latch here like so, and the lid opens right up. And as you can see here, everything is nice and organized within this carrying case. We've got a ton of bits here down with the screwdriver, and then some more accessory type tools up at the top. So we've got a little accessory hatch here that holds some of those little cell phone pin devices so that you can take out like micro SD cards or SIM cards in phones. We've got some little triangle tools in there as well. Got a nice suction cup, multiple longer extension tools here. We've got a manual screwdriver as well as a flexible piece as well. This one lets you go around corners. You get some of those hard to reach places with the flexible extension there. We've got some plastic tools so that you don't damage any metal pieces, some really nice tweezers, and a spudger. Now, like I mentioned, we have just an absolute wild amount of options for this screwdriver. There are so many bits and pieces here. You're sure to find one that will work for your project. Like I said, on the back here of the case, it does show exactly what parts are included with this screwdriver. Now, let's take a closer look at the screwdriver itself. Now, in order to get the screwdriver out of the case, we simply lift up on the right side here because it's held in place by the little tip here on one side. That just kind of slides into the case, and you press it down, holds it in nice and tight like that. Pull it back out, but let's get a closer look here. Now, this is an all aluminum body design, so really sturdy, nice feeling, doesn't feel weak. It's actually really strong, nice and sturdy there for you. We've got a set of buttons here from left to right. We have our forward and backward buttons. That determines the spinning direction of the chuck at the end. We also have a light button and then a switch that goes from 3 spots. All the way to the right is the slowest rotating speed, middle is middle speed, and left is the highest speed. Then we have a little charging indicator light here, and on the end we have our charging port, which is USB Type-C. Down at the end here we have that nice hex input chuck that is compatible with all of those components within this toolkit. Now, if we wanted to add one in there, we'll just simply pick one of these out, and it really easily just fits right into the tip of the tool. Really nice and easy. As you can see here, if I push forward, gonna rotate one way. If I go backwards, goes the opposite direction. Really nice and quiet operation as well. We also have that light button. Don't forget, if we tap that, it's going to light up the end with 4 LEDs. That way you can see exactly where you are putting this tool when you are using it. Tap it again to turn that off. Again, we've got 3 speeds here. If we go up to the middle, a little bit faster, and then 3, even quicker rotation there. All right, well, there you have it. That is the 160-piece TanSon electric screwdriver kit. I think this is a great option for anybody that needs a variety of screwdriver heads and wants an electric kit. You've got that rechargeable battery with USB Type-C, 160 different options. Definitely worth checking this one out.